Stop hanging wet clothes the usual way. There's a smarter method that saves space and time. Most people hang shirts lengthwise over the metal bars of the drying rack, which means you can only fit about 5 shirts per wing. But here's the trick. That same space can hold twice as many if you hang them differently. Grab each shirt by the bottom hem and clip it sideways across the width of the rack, not along the bars. Hang the next shirt right next to it, the same way. This way, clothes don't overlap so they dry faster and more evenly. With this method, you can hang up to 10 shirts on one wing. It's not just space saving. Better air circulation means quicker drying. And here's a bonus. Shirts hung by the hem tend to straighten under their own weight, which makes ironing easier or even unnecessary. A simple change, but it makes a big difference. Never hang wet clothes the usual way.